Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. This is your health blog, and in this video I will be showing you how to produce this energy boosting drink that will be helping you to start your day, refresh your day, and start your morning right. And it is packed with very good energizing ingredients and that I will be displaying and I will be explaining later in this video. So if you are on your weight loss journey, please try this recipe. So do you want to achieve a glowing skin like mine? I mean, look at my skin, it is glowing and looking so yummicious. Then you should try this recipe. So guys, today I am making a powerful juice blend using fresh beetroot with its leafy greens, carrots, lemon, and ginger. This isn't just a delicious or vibrant drink. It is true health booster for your entire body. First up, beetroot. This root vegetable is rich in nitrates, which help to improve blood flow, lower blood pressure, and boost stamina. The leaves are often overlooked, but they are loaded with calcium, iron, powerful antioxidants, and support detoxification and immunity. Next up, we have the carrots, and it's a fantastic source for beta carotene, which your body converts into vitamin A. This helps protect your vision, supports your immune system, and keeps your skin glowing just like mine. And now next we have the lemon, a natural detoxifier and an excellent source of vitamin C. It helps alkalize the body, aids digestion, and gives your immune system that extra edge. So now next we have the ginger, a true anti-inflammatory powerhouse. It aids digestion, reduces bloating, boosts metabolism, and helps fight off cold and flu. So blending these ingredients together gives you a drink that cleanses your liver and gut, lowers inflammation, improves blood circulation, boosts your immune system, and supports heart health, and also give you a natural energy lift. No caffeine required. So this is the kind of juice you want to sip on first thing in the morning or as a midday pick me up. It's fresh, earthy, spicy, and loaded with nutrients your body will thank you. So give this vibrant juice a try and let your body soak up all that goodness, one glass at a time. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share this video for more healthy recipes like this particular one. So first up, we'll prep our ingredients. We have already prepped the beetroot, the carrot, and now we are prepping the lemon, and equally the ginger has already been prepped. And you can do this according to how your juicer, your blender looks like. You can either juice this on a juicer using your juicer, or you can use a normal blender, and it works perfectly. Like I earlier mentioned before, I am making good use of the leaves of these beetroots. Like I earlier already mentioned the health benefits of these leaves that are packed with iron and a lot of nutrients that your body needs. So next time you buy your beetroot, don't throw these leaves away. They are very useful as well, and they are very, very good for the body. So next up, I will be setting everything into my juicer and then blending that and squeezing all the juice out of it, and then extract the juice, and there you go. We have a healthy drink that is suited for your morning energy booster. If you have watched this video up to this point, besties, it therefore means you need to subscribe to this channel and you're liking this particular recipe. Of all the health benefits I have already earlier mentioned and I have already described on this video, will you be trying this beetroot recipe? Is beet something you love to eat or drink? Then make sure you comment on the comment section below. I'll be reading your comments. And how do you eat your beetroot? Some people prefer it cooked, and some people prefer it juice like this, but I prefer juicing because I just love to take the goodness without stressing. I don't love to stress, because if I have to cook it, I will not eat the quantity that when I juice I have to consume. And moreover, it is easier on a weight loss journey to take the juices than taking the hard beets and carrots. So both of them have their own benefits, okay? So it depends on what you are actually aiming for and what you want for your body, because cooked carrots give different nutrients than the fresh juiced carrots, likewise the beetroot. And if you have reached this point, it therefore means you are automatically a fan of this particular channel. If you haven't subscribed, what are you waiting for, bestie? Hit that subscribe button. It wouldn't cost you anything to subscribe and just follow and watch my videos. So now, since this juicer is not the best juicer that I would really actually recommend, I actually use this chiffon cloth to extract the left out juice on the bulb of the beetroots and the carrot, so I can take out all the juices that the carrot and the beet has to produce, because the juicer doesn't really juice the juice from the carrots and beets appropriately. There's a lot of juices and a lot of extra juice embedded in the bulb of this particular recipe. So I decided to juice it out like this. It may look so much messy, but hang with me, it is what we are going for. It is the benefits that we are going for. And would you rather prefer to go and buy drugs and take care of your body, or actually do the messy part of the job like this and stay healthy? But then, bestie, this is what I prefer doing, and I love it and I enjoy it. And I've been delivering this to some people who don't have the time to do it. And I am your health plug. And I live in Sweden. And if you want juices like this, any kind of juice, strawberries or whatsoever, watermelon juice, whatsoever fresh juice you can imagine, I can produce it and deliver it at your doorstep. So I am doing this as a side hustle, and it is an encourager for anyone who is a stay-at-home or who is confused and doesn't know how to target their income. And with the inflation, you need extra income. Then I am giving you tips that you can use to start making some good money from your very own kitchen with ingredients that are easily available and very affordable. And if you place this at the counter and you put a price on it, besties, people will buy with lots of dollars to get this particular juice. So take this every morning and your body will be filled with goodness. You'll be energized throughout your day and you will not be feeling tired. And if you want to lose weight, then this is your plug. If you are diabetic, this is your plug. So if you have watched this video up to this point, what are you waiting for, bestie? Hit that subscribe button, comment down below what juices you would be trying, or what juices would I be doing next. I will be reading the comment section below. Now we are going to take the taste of this, and because I haven't put it in the fridge, and I'm going to be putting that in some ice. And besties, this was the best morning ever so far. It tasted so good, yummy and delicious. My body was like waiting for more and more. So besties, please, if you'll be trying this recipe, so comment down below and I will be reading your comment. You can see my glowing skin. This is some of the things that keep me glowing like this. Bye.